Hello and welcome to Roosted. In this quick tutorial, we're going to walk through how to add custom activity logs to your workforce records. Custom logs let you track actions that happen outside the platform, things like phone calls, follow-ups, or any manual task you want to document for your team. Here's how it works. Let's say you called a client for additional details. You can log that directly in the worker or event record. Just click Add Log, select or type your custom action, in this case, called client, and add any notes or context. Once you save it, the action appears in the activity timeline with your comment, so your whole team has visibility into what happened and when. You can do the same thing on event records. Maybe you coordinated something off-site, sent a follow-up email, or handled a last-minute request. Just log it the same way, and it's documented. This keeps your communication and task history in one place. No more digging through email threads or Slack messages to figure out what happened. That's it. Custom logs give you full control over your activity tracking, so nothing falls through the cracks. Thanks for watching.